Hey guys, today we're going to talk a little bit about the hue tool and how to use the target adjustment tool just to make your hue a little bit more accurate. So real quick, just click subscribe and that's going to keep you updated on all the tutorials that we're adding to the channel. Okay, so what is hue? Hue is just your base color of what you're working with. So we're going to come over to, I'm going to show you real quick how to get there before we get started. You're going to be in your basics module tab. On the right hand side, and you're going to scroll down until you see your HSL tab. That's where we're going to be working today. We're going to click on hue, and I'm going to use the red as an example here. So you can see with the red how I can adjust that to be more orange or more magenta. That lets us play with the hue a little bit right there. I'm going to reset that to a 0 to show you the next step. Click on red twice really quick and it just resets that to a 0. So what I'm going to do next is show you the target adjustment tool, which is really handy because most of the images that you're working with is going to have more than one hue to the image. So this is going to help you be a little bit more accurate. So you're going to click on your target adjustment tool, and I'm going to click on the young lady's skin. Kind of drag around a little bit, and if we look back over at the HSL panel, you can see that there's some red and orange both. So what I'm going to do is just kind of drag up and down until I'm happy with how that looks. Okay, so that's a quick overview on hue and how to use your target adjustment tool to help you with your image.